Is Dominic Eannarino, and I did my project on residential development at Lake Gaston. Lake Gaston is one of the largest lakes in North Carolina and Virginia. It's very popular for fishing, and it's also a hotspot for real estate and vacation homes. However, it is largely undeveloped on the North Carolina side of the lake. So this company, they're hoping to take advantage of this market around Lake Gaston by building a subdivision in Halifax County, which is on the east side of the lake. They want to develop close enough to the lake to where it's like a lake house, but also close enough to schools and hospitals, so young families would want to move there and stay there. He also needs land parcels large enough to support his ambitions, and he also wants it close to a medical center because that would also raise the value of the homes there. Now, so the three questions we're examining: what land areas in Halifax County are within 1 mile of Lake Gaston and are also within 1 mile of a public school? Which land parcels that fit that criteria have an area of more than 400,000 meters squared? I know that's a weird unit. I'm working on that right now. And then finally, how close is the nearest medical center to each parcel? So we're going to answer these questions. That's going to determine the best area for BB Murray to start construction. Now, my data, actually it's all from NC1 map, and it's all vector data. I have a major hydrology and NC shapefile, that's polygons, land parcel data shapefile, polygons, public school data shapefile, those are points, and then the medical facilities shapefile, those are also points. So the analysis of the first question: what areas in Halifax County are within 1 mile of Lake Gaston and are within 1 mile of a public school? So we'll take a look at my web map here. You can see, so this is all of Halifax County here. We are only interested in this area up here because this is Lake Gaston right here. It's hard to see. I have trouble navigating on this online map, so I'm just going to be pointing to things with the mouse here. But we're just interested in this area, really. Those red dots are schools. But the procedure was pretty straightforward. So first off, I just did a buffer on the water forms. And you can see it gives you all of those. But like I said, we're not worried about any of these. We're only focused on this up here because that's actually Lake Gaston. All right, so that's that 1 mile water buffer. And then we just did another buffer on the schools. See all the greens popping up? What we're interested in right here is that intersect of those two 1 mile buffers for the schools and for Lake Gaston. And when we make that visible, we see these areas right here are the ones that are suitable for this company's purposes based on that first criteria in that first question. All right. So we'll go back to the document. All right, so expected outcomes. I've already completed most of my analysis for the other two questions. There were 3 different land parcels that met the criteria for area more than 400,000 square meters. I just did that with select by attribute and then that formula. And then I've also calculated the distances to the nearest medical facility from each parcel. One parcel is actually right